In consumer electronics, accuracy when packing is essential to uphold quality and meet customer expectations, but with small varied components, manual inspection can easily lead to errors, especially in high-volume production. That's where META-aivi comes in. Powered by AR plus AI, META-aivi integrates seamlessly with IP cameras to deliver real-time verification of package contents on the packing line. META-aivi instantly confirms the presence or absence of each item, alerting workers in real time to any missing or misplaced items, enhancing accuracy and reducing errors. Designed for rapid deployment and ease of use, META-aivi empowers manufacturers with greater efficiency and improved quality control. META-aivi AR plus AI Vision System. Train an AI model quickly with only a few images. Real-time AR detection and AI inspection. Increase accuracy, reduce errors. Learn more at solomon-3d.com.